This is a very interesting 1957 MGA 1500 coupe. Beautiful engine compartment here, overhead valve 4-cylinder engine, Austin derived engine. Very nice looking radiator there, spotless. Beautiful blue color. Now here are some interesting details. You can pause the video to capture these specifications. And the convertible came first, and then 18 months later came the coupe. Interesting door handle, which you'll see in a minute. There's a little storage space behind the front seats. Most of the mechanicals here dated back earlier than this particular year in terms of development, but the car itself is very modern looking. Interior very nice. You saw that wraparound back window, which is an interesting styling effect. Nice dashboard too, painted the same color as the car. And there you get to see the luggage compartment, which is mainly made up of the spare tire. So these cars didn't have an awful lot of room for possessions. But that top really is a thing of beauty. The top speed is supposed to be 101 miles an hour in this car.